Here I am down at the Civic Center Mall on May 25, 2023. Time is 7:52 p.m. I'm just down here to get in a little bit on night shootage footing tonight. So I'm just going to walk back down through the mall area here and see what it looks like around 8 p.m. at night. So let's head back down toward the mall here. Quite a bit of entertainment going on down here. Live music from the Old Town Tavern. Music from other places around here. AZ88 going strong. So let's go back up here, the A-line building in front of us. Go back over here. See the Fancy's got their sign lit up back up here. New salon by Tori Elise. Back there. See, that's going. Down here just a little bit and cross through. Inside of the salon is all lit up in there. See a few people still inside. Maybe doing some cleanup from the day. Nice looking salon in there for people to go in and get haircuts, get different kinds of beauty treatments here at Fancy's in Scottsdale on the mall. Let's walk on down and you can see they got the canopy lit up here. They're just using the up lighting on the canopy. So I guess that's sort of the standard night lighting now, is just to use the up lighting. Over here, AZ88. People out on the patio enjoying a nice meal. And before long, they'll be joined there by the A-Line Bar, whatever the ultimate name of that is. So walk on back down through here. Cut across over to the canopy and circle around that way. So it looks nice down here. Very pleasant evening. I think it reached at least 100 degrees today, but now it's like maybe around 88 to 90. But a very pleasant feeling temperature. There's the Center for the Performing Arts over there. They have quite a lineup of talent coming in over this year into next. We sort of shoot across the canopy here. See that down here. Canopy looks nice. And let's move back out across the Civic Lawn. You can see on the far end the canopy also has the in lighting on it, as I showed maybe a few trips back. in the early morning, so they do have that canopy lit up. It has the in lighting, but there appears to be other kinds of lighting there too on the canopy. Some kind of smaller lighting, so there might be up lights back in there that are providing that more gentle, almost orange looking light. What I can see. People down here at the Love statue. It's a very popular attraction here in the Civic Center Mall area. People like to come down and take their picture at the Love statue. Again, it's still not working yet. So here we have up to City Hall here. And various areas of the social hub here back into the East Bowl are lit up. So this is all looking very nice back up in here. And this sign is lit up here on the side just as the one in the West Paseo is. And as I've observed around, all these signs have lighting on the front. Seems like it might have been a good idea to have the sign itself be lit up, but not the case. So let me shoot back over here towards the canopy. I'm going to end this segment now. And I think I'll walk on around by the East Bowl canopy and see if I can scope out what's going on with the lighting down there, maybe. Alrighty. Right, here I've made it back down to behind the canopy. Shoot over the fence here, you can see it is lit up back in here. Some kind of lighting across maybe the top of that concrete backing piece there that's giving it that other sort of orangish looking light. But we do have lighting back down here. And lighting on the end down there. Both ends are lit up using some kind of uplighting there, I believe. So, back of the canopy has it's all lit up down here. So I'm shooting just a little bit of this, and I'm going to cut this short and move on around to the other side. And then shoot over by the library there. Alrighty. Alright, here I am down behind the canopy. I'm going to take a minute just to shoot a little bit here. And this back entryway, it's fixed up for vehicle entry into the area, probably for load-in of equipment and whatnot. You can see back over there the back of the stage area, and down here another directional sign which is also lit up on the side. And so I'm going to shoot just a little bit of this. Got a good view here through this canopy back up to the 360-degree canopy, so that's sort of a nice view through there up to the center part of the park where the 360 canopy sits. So I'm going to finish this off here and move just a little bit farther around by the library. Right, here I am coming up by the library, and shoot over the fence into the front part of the East Bowl canopy here, see what it looks like at night. Opportunity to get down here and see things in a different perspective. You see back up here, you do have some kind of lighting along the ridge there of the canopy backing. So this looked kind of nicely with just uplighting, it looks like there. What we're seeing. Let's try to walk on around here carefully. Keep the canopy centered up if I can. Ugh. And so there's a shot of the canopy back down here at night. Time now is 8:08 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, so looks nice down here. Back up here towards the social hub and children's garden up there. And I think I'll just finish this up right here and call this good. Alrighty. Right, here I am finishing off my shooting for tonight. Handheld here. Just going to shoot a little bit of an ending video on the iPhone 13 Pro Max handheld. Sweep back around here to the canopy. Get a shot of that, and then I'm going to try one more thing here. I'm going to tilt up from the canopy up, and right up there you should be able to see that little dot is Venus, I believe. And a little bit higher up we got the moon. So got the moon and Venus here. If that comes out, pretty sure that's Venus anyway. And so shoot a little bit of that, tilt back down here on this evening in Scottsdale, Arizona. Come back around here to the love statue. Finish up here for the evening. Call this good for tonight. Just kind of an impromptu shoot, seeing what I could get down here. So call this good. All right.